Pearl Alloys is a preeminent aluminum alloy manufacturing firm that services the high-quality segment of the aluminum die casting and automobile manufacturing market. Industry, industrial machinery and manufacturing. Products and services, aluminum die casting and automobile manufacturing. Employee strength 11 to 50. To better serve its customers' needs, Pearl Alloys identified the need for a competent IT solution and signed a proposal with the binding force and SAVIC on 7 June 2022. The proposed solution included finance, controlling, inventory, materials management, sales and distribution, production planning, quality management and plant maintenance, and it would be implemented across approximately 2 entities and 6 plants under Pearl Group. The project kickoff date was set for July 6, 2022. After a discussion between the management, the project scope was agreed upon and the final project charter was signed off on June 30th, 2022. On July 20th, the prepare phase ended and the team was ready to enter the project execution phase. The management chose SAVIC as its implementation partner due to its leadership commitment, having one of the highest number of SAP S4HANA implementation projects in India, including AVTT, Everest Masala, Suhana Masala, GRB, Ajmi Foods, Naga Foods and Shri Shri Tattva. SAVIC's local skills factory provided elasticity of skill expansion at a low turnaround time, and we are a proud SAP Platinum partner CMMI Level 5. Pearl Alloys chose SAP due to its mobile infrastructure that integrates with its enterprise system, enabling access to business processes from anywhere and at any time. The project moved to the execution phase following a one-piece flow approach, and a checklist of the activities to be completed week by week was prepared for the smooth closure of the explore phase. Key data structures and business process documents were created and discussed with Mr. Puneet Srivastav, who was the former project manager from Pearl. However, due to the unforeseen hiccups in the RISE-FW developments and customization confirmations, the project suffered a slight delay. But the team worked tirelessly towards achieving these planned deadlines, and after the confirmation, the project moved to the explore phase and we successfully received the explore phase sign-off on September 30th, 2022. After the completion of the explore phase, the project moved to the realization phase and the team prepared to conduct the UAT sessions. However, the project was delayed due to unavailability of core users and miscommunication between the project managers. As a former project manager from Pearl, Mr. Puneet had left the organization. His roles and responsibilities were taken over by Mr. Alok, which caused a slight change in the project timelines. But despite these unforeseen circumstances, the team worked effortlessly, creating all the necessary documentation and successfully completed the UAT. The UATs were conducted at various different plants, including Bahadurgarh and Goa. SAVIC's leadership commitment, local skills factory and SAP's mobile infrastructure was essential in making this project a success. Pearl Alloys and SAVIC's partnership resulted in a seamless SAP S4HANA implementation, enabling Pearl Alloys to better serve its customers' needs and expand its services globally.